The National Labor Relations Act requires employers to bargain with unions representing their employees over the terms and conditions of employment. Because the statute's language is vague, courts must determine which management decisions are mandatory bargaining subjects and which aren't. First National Maintenance Corporation versus National Labor Relations Board explains the difference. First National Maintenance provided cleaning and maintenance services for commercial customers, hiring separate workforces for each customer. Customers reimbursed National's labor costs and paid a set fee. National employed 35 workers at Greenpark Care Center, a nursing home. Realizing it was losing money at Greenpark, National advised Greenpark that it would cancel the contract if Greenpark didn't agree to raise the fee. During this time, National's Greenpark workers elected a union. National didn't respond to the union's request to negotiate a contract. 2 weeks later, National notified its Greenpark employees that they'd be discharged in 3 days. National rebuffed the union's request for a delay for bargaining purposes and stated that its decision to end Greenpark operations was purely economic. The union filed charges with the National Labor Relations Board, alleging that National had violated the Labor Act by failing to bargain over the decision to close Greenpark and its effects on employees. The board ruled for the union, finding that National had a duty to bargain about both the decision to close and the closure's effects. National appealed the board's order regarding the decision to close. The Second Circuit affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.